Welcome to the Hypomanic Operational Turnaround System, HOT system, a proven methodology that has generated over $2 billion in measurable shareholder value across Fortune 500s. I'm Todd Hagopian, the original Stagnation assassin, and over the next 10 episodes, I'm going to teach you everything I know about declaring war on organizational stagnation. Before we dive into the frameworks, I want to set expectations about what you're getting into and what you're going to get out of this course. This is what the course is. This course is built directly from my book, The Unfair Advantage, Weaponizing the Hypomanic Toolbox, which is available on Amazon. Each of the next 10 episodes corresponds to one of the 10 methodology chapters. Each episode delivers one complete system with specific tools that you can implement immediately. This is not theory. This is not abstract strategy. Every framework I'm going to teach you has been battle tested in real transformations. Refrigeration divisions losing $175 million a year, industrial equipment companies hitting capacity walls, scale businesses trapped in commodity hell. The systems work. I've used these to take companies from catastrophic losses to profitability. I've used them to generate hundreds of millions and billions of dollars in shareholder value. And I'm going to hand you the exact playbook that I've used. This is how the course is structured. Each episode is going to run approximately 10 minutes, quick bite size. That's intentional. I'm going to give you the what and the why, the conceptual understanding you need to deploy these frameworks. The how, the templates, the calculator, the step-by-step implementation will live inside the Circle community resources eventually. Think of the episodes as the briefing before the battle. Think of the Circle resources as the weapons you need to carry into that battle. The next 10 episodes follow a deliberate sequence. Episode 1 and 2 are going to establish your foundation, diagnosing the disease that is killing your organization and assembling the team capable of treating it. Episode 3 and 4 arm you for battle. They are going to teach you how to generate overwhelming productivity and identify exactly where to aim that force. Episode 5 and 6 are going to reveal the hidden realities, customer and competitor intelligence that you're probably missing, and the capacity lies that are strangling your growth. Episode 7 and 8 are going to build organizational capability, continuous improvement that actually works, and orthodoxy smashing innovation that creates years of competitive advantages. Episodes 9 and 10 multiply everything, rapid decision making that captures opportunities before they close, and integration that transform individual frameworks into exponential force. So this is what makes things different. I am not a consultant. I'm the anti-consultant. Consultants sell you analysis. They sell you workshops. They sell you frameworks designed to require their continued involvement. Their business model requires your ongoing dependency. I'm going to give you everything you need in 10 episodes. No phase 2 to sell you. No ongoing engagement required. By the time you finish this course, you'll have the complete system that has generated over $2 billion in value. And you'll be able to execute it independently if you wish. The HOT system delivers measurable results in 90 days, or it fails. And if it fails, you'll know quickly and cheaply. Here's what you need to bring to this system. These frameworks require three things from you. First, intellectual honesty, admitting that approaches that got you here won't get you where you need to go. Acknowledging that we've always done it this way explains nothing and justifies less. If you cannot be brutally honest about your current situation, the best frameworks in the world will not help you. Second, operational courage, making decisions with 70% confidence instead of waiting for information that never arrives, firing transformation blockers within 30 days rather than hoping they'll adapt, exiting value-destroying customers that everyone calls strategic. This isn't comfortable, but it's necessary. Third, sustained intensity, maintaining focus for 18 to 24 months while organizational antibodies attack your initiatives, protecting transformation from corporate bureaucrats. Most transformations fail not because the strategy was wrong, but because leaders lack the discipline to maintain intensity through resistance. If you can bring those three things to the hot system, this will transform your business. This is the choice you are making. By starting this course, you're already making a choice. You're choosing to examine your business with fresh eyes. You're choosing to question assumptions that everyone else accepts. And you're choosing transformation over optimization. But listening is not enough. Each episode ends with a specific mission, actions to take that week. The learning happens in the doing. If you complete these episodes without completing the missions, you'll have interesting intellectual understanding and zero transformation. I am asking you to commit right now, not just to listen, but to act, not just to understand, but to implement, not just to agree with the frameworks, but to deploy them in your organization starting this week. Are you ready? Then let's begin. The episode 1, the Stagnation Genome. Your business has a disease and you've been ignoring the symptoms. Get ready to learn more.